Hey, it's Bruce with WeedersDigest.com. Today I'm bringing you one of our greatest options for taking care of your shoreline. It's called the Lake Groomer. Gets rid of your weeds and your muck throughout your shoreline. Let me just walk you through some really quick details on it. So it's a power head that then drives a shaft, and that shaft then drives a tube. The tube is on the bottom, and as it traverses and rolls back and forth across your lake bottom up to 320 degrees, it's fully adjustable. And with this tube, they're 7 feet long. You can have 3 of them, that's the standard, which is 21 feet, or you can go up to 42 feet, and as that 42 feet sweeps across, you can have 84 feet that's completely weed-free and muck-free. Let me just walk through some of the really basics of how this thing operates. So you can set it with these very simple limiters. It's just very easy to just adjust. And it'd be similar to the way I see it as like a sprinkler head, where you can adjust it so that as it goes across, it'll hit the limit and go back the other way. Now, as far as connecting it, you can connect it to your dock, as we've got it here just in our showroom, or you can connect it to a tripod. What is really nice about our system that we've just designed now is that it actually has a one connector to the dock, which makes it really simple, both for installation as well as for adjustments. The other point is that it actually works with what we call an auger foot, where you can actually push this down into the bottom, crank it down in, and when that cranks in, you really have kind of a good 2-point system to hold it into place. We think those are really great improvements that we've come up with. Now, the other thing that's really nice and easy about putting this together, and we've tried to make it as easy for installation through years of testing and playing with it, is that it's got a 1-bolt system. So to connect each of our tubes, all it is just connect 1 bolt, then move on to the next bolt, and so each connection between each 7-foot tube is just 1 bolt. Really makes it simple, and where people really appreciate that is not only in the spring and in the fall, but there'll be neighbors that'll actually share it amongst each other. And so to be able to move it from one station to another station on your own shoreline, or share it with a neighbor, to just have to remove those 1 bolts there, loosen up the auger foot, and remove the 1 connection to your dock, makes it a really great system that way. So the Lake Groomer is really a phenomenal tool. I think you really like it. I've used it on my shoreline, and the results are dramatic. So check it out at lakegroomer.net, or give us a call at the Weeders Digest at 877-224-4899.